well, here's a video I've been dying to make for a while. Our Buick Envista. We finally got it back today. After 6 months, 1 week, and 1 full day at the auto body shop getting repaired, we picked it up. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, if you don't follow the channel, you're just popping in because you saw the thumbnail. Our brand new Buick Envista, our 2024, we bought it last September. We had 4 awesome months with it. In middle of January last year, we were rear-ended by a young female that was texting and driving. She totally owned up to it. The insurance company has been great, taking care of everything. However, it's been sitting at a collision center for over 6 months. And it's kind of discouraging. They got the parts for it 2 weeks ago. Once they got the parts, it was pretty quick and dirty. It was just a matter of getting the parts. The supply chain is finally caught up. I did talk to the guy today at the body shop, and he says, yes, the inventory is now in the system. They can get them much faster. So if you're trying to get a Buick Envista, don't let this video scare you. They're very caught up. We got one of the very first ones of the very first shipment last September. So just a very unfortunate timing, if you will. But no, we are so excited we got it back. We've had 4 or 5 rentals during this time. We had a Jeep Compass, which I don't wish a Jeep Compass on anyone. I mean, it's ADV transportation. Then we had a Nissan Altima for 2 days. That didn't work for our family. Then we had a Jeep Renegade, but that was full of cigarette smoke, so we got rid of that one. And then we got a RAV4 the last 2 months. The RAV4 was fine. It was a very entry level RAV4, but it was very nice to get back in the Buick today, a proper luxury vehicle. Overall, they did a really good job on repairing the car. So yeah, here's us picking up the car, and after this, we'll go for a little ride and reacquainted with the car, if you will. So enjoy. All right, well, I'm at the collision place. I haven't seen the car yet. I know it's over there somewhere. My wife's behind me. I came with her to check it out, make sure it's all good. I'm pretty confident it's going to be good. I have no idea the condition it's going to be in as far as washed. I have no idea. This car has been in this lot for 6 months. I know, crazy, right? This happened middle of January. So it's going to be like getting a brand new car again, getting it delivered again. We had the car 4.5 months. So it's been in the shop longer than we've actually had it. So pretty exciting stuff. All right, let's go check it out. Sound good? All right, I see it. I see it. Man, I haven't seen this car in so long. And I still haven't seen that many of these things on the road. God, what a gorgeous car. Yeah, this is hers. She has the little things in the mirror. All right. I don't have the keys on me. But no, it looks good. It looks brand new. And real quick, here's the damage before. This sucks. 5 months in and rear-ended last night. It doesn't look terrible, but there's a lot of stuff that's got to get fixed. The entire rear bumper, obviously. The hatch, most likely. All the panel, I guess the whole entire thing's bent and panel gaps are all messed up. So we're looking at a brand new hatch, rear fascia, and maybe these sides, they don't line up. TBD on that. Sensors, most likely. Stuff for labor and everything. Of course, we weren't at fault. Even this is out of line now. Should probably go in about 10, 15 miles an hour. Hit us in the back. We were at a dead stop. But the craziest part was when we got out, I was mad. You know, I got a pregnant wife and a 4-year-old in the back seat. And she, first thing she said was, "I'm sorry, I was texting and driving." Or she was looking at her phone, she said. I was like, okay. Younger girl, probably early 20s. Just sucks all the way around. Oh, I was so mad. Other than that, the car's been great. It sucks because now this will always have a accident report, which is unfortunate. Man, it's always something, man. Always something. Now, one thing I do notice, this panel gap is about 1/4 inch. This panel gap's about 1/8 of an inch. I don't know if it was like that before, but probably not. That's just the nature of getting your car fixed. It looks fine from directly in the back. It might drive me insane. I don't know. Let me get the keys here, make sure everything functions right. They had to replace the entire liftgate, rear bumper, some of the stuff on the inside, and some sensors as well. Another little thing, got some orange peel right here. I'm not sure if you can see it on both sides. I'm sure this is just the replacement part they got. I don't think they spray them here. They spray them and send them here, I'm pretty sure. Not their fault, but that's just the nature of getting in an accident. Sucks. No one else will ever notice that, but still a pretty car though. It's unfortunate this thing always have a ding on it as far as like a Carfax. I just talked to one of the guys that work here, the one that's doing the last look, fit and finish, and he agrees this panel gap's way too small compared to that guy. So actually, they're gonna pull it in right now, see if they can adjust it. I'm doing a little video. You're on it. Is that okay? Good. It's for YouTube. All right. So Bill was awesome. They took it back right away and they got it lined up. So we're happy with that. It looks great and it works perfectly. Now we're happy. Just like brand new. The car's been sitting here for 6 months and it still smells new, which is great. For those curious, this one looks like with 2 car seats in the back. Well, this one swivels. I don't know. Autumn, what are you doing? Do you want to get in your car? It's like 100 degrees in here, or out here.
Yeah, get in the car.
I know Mommy trying to leave. I'll show you the other side. There you go. This little guy. And when that thing's the right way, you could fit a tiny little person in the middle if you wanted to. Oh no! Now all of YouTube knows. So yeah, we're happy. Who is this? We're at Southern Collision. Very nice people. All right, it's been over 6 months. Let's get reacquainted with this guy. Like I stated yesterday, it still smells new. I mean, clean it this weekend. These seats, so comfortable. A few days ago, I saw the unveiling of the new Envision, 2025 Envision with the same front end. That car is sexy. That might be our next family hauler after this guy in a few years. But for now, yeah, this car, oh, I missed it. So comfortable compared to the rentals we had. But yeah, I know I still have about 3,000 miles to go before the oil's due, but considering it's been sitting for 6 months, I'm gonna go ahead and change it this weekend just to be proactive and be safe, if you will. And I got a video on the channel about how to do that. It's super simple in this guy and super inexpensive. I think it was like $28 to do it yourself. It was pretty laughable how cheap it was. Yeah, I still can't get over it's a 3-cylinder, turbo 3-cylinder, but more than enough torque, and it's geared appropriately. So it doesn't feel like a 3-cylinder at all. Given the RAV4 we had the last 2 months, which is a larger 4-cylinder, this feels the same, if not even quicker, honestly. So, in any case, yeah, we're glad to have this guy back. And for those that are thinking about getting the Envista and worried about the wait times for repairs, etc., that should be diminished. It's pretty much mitigated now. So. And yeah, I'm looking forward to do some more fun stuff with this guy, do some upgrades. I should be much further along on doing stuff to this guy, but you know, stuff happens. So yeah, one thing I forgot is how quiet this car is. The AC is almost all the way up. And it's like no road noise at all. Again, I think that might be just the Avenir thing with the sound canceling, but yeah. For the price point, so quiet in this guy. Well, in any case, that's gonna do it for today. Just want to do a kind of quick little video, get you guys up to speed on the Envista. I know a lot of guys be like, hey, where's that car at? Like, yeah, well, it's been in the shop for 6 months, so we got it back. It's doing great. We're happy with it. And yeah, we'll have another fun Buick Envista video soon. So until then, take care, guys. Mark out.